Sing so that they hear what's on your mind. And when you look around, you'll find there's more than one voice singing in the darkness, joining with your voice. Each and every note, another octave, and so joy that feels unlocked. If only one voice would start it on its own, just one voice facing the unknown, and then that one voice will never be alone. It takes that one voice. Joining with your voice, shouting out and just one voice. It takes that one voice, and everyone
As